Hi students, I am your chemistry miss Mrs. Anbumalar. Today we are going to see the unit 3 P block elements 2, the continuation for the P block elements 2. Previous video we studied about the 15th group elements, that is nitrogen and ammonia. So today we are going to see the next one, the nitric acid. Next topic of this second is P block element group elements 2. The second topic is nitric acid. So the nitric acid, how it will be prepared, that is potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate. What is KNO3? That is potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate react with concentrated sulfuric acid to form the potassium bisulfate and nitric acid. The temperature is kept as a low, avoid the decomposition, because to maintain the low temperature because of the decomposition of nitric acid. So the nitric acid, so it will decompose to nitrous oxide, then water molecule and the oxygen. So the nitric acid immediately decomposed. To avoid that, we maintain the low temperature. So after the decomposition of nitric acid, 4NO2 and H2O and O2. So this is the preparation of nitric acid. So what is the, how it will prepare, the commercial preparation, that is Ostwald process. We have studied the previous year Ostwald process. What is Ostwald process? When ammonia react with oxygen to form nitric oxide, again this nitric oxide react with oxygen to form the nitrous oxide. This nitrous oxide react with water molecule to form the nitric acid. This is three equations are the continuous equation. So first one is ammonia react with oxygen to form nitric oxide. Nitric oxide react with again oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. And another one is nitrogen dioxide react with water molecule to form the nitric oxide and the nitric acid and the nitric oxide. Okay, so this is the commercial preparation. This is otherwise called as Ostwald process. Again, next one is what are the properties of the nitric acid. It is a colorless. It is boils at 86 degrees Celsius. Fuming nitric acid. The fuming, what is meant by fuming nitric acid? The vapors of nitric acid look like white vapors. So that is the fuming nitric acid. It is converted into oxides of nitrogen. The nitric acid, the fuming nitric acid is converted into NO2, nitric oxide, then H2O and the O2. The nitric oxide, nitric acid is decomposed into nitric oxide plus H2O and O2. Due to this reason, the nitric acid becomes yellow in color. After the pure nitric acid is colorless. Suppose they are decomposed, means started to decompose, means that is the fuming nitric acid is started to decompose into nitrogen dioxide. Due to this reason, the solution becomes yellow in color. Again, another one is it is a good oxidizing agent. The oxidation state is +5. It is a good oxidizing agent. The oxidation state is +5. But again, another one, it does not yield hydrogen with metal. So when compared to other compound, the nitric acid does not yield hydrogen with the metal, but it acts as an acid, an oxidizing agent and the nitrating agent in an organic chemistry. It is act as an acid, an oxidizing agent and the nitrating agent. So another one is, it is example of the evidence for the, it is act as an acid. Acid, that is ZnO, zinc oxide, react with nitric acid, zinc nitrate. What is the formula name is zinc nitrate. Zinc nitrate, then water molecule, then ferric oxide, FeO plus nitric acid to form ferric nitrate. Ferric nitrate. Okay, so then again this is the acid. Next another one is, it is an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent, when carbon react with nitric acid to form the water molecule NO2. Again, when react with it is a good oxidizing. Carbon reduces to carbon dioxide. Sulfur reduces to sulfuric acid. Then phosphorus reducing with the nitric acid to form phosphoric acid. H3 orthophosphoric acid. H3PO4 orthophosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. And another one, iodine, react with iodine, potassium hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen per iodide. So that is HiO3. So nitric oxide, again nitric acid, fluorine. F2 means hydrogen fluoride, the hydrogen fluoric acid, and NO3, nitrogen trioxide fluoride. So again next one is H2S, sulfur, hydrogen sulfide react with nitric acid to form the sulfur, nitric oxide and the H2O. These are all the example of oxidizing agents. Suppose they are asking question in any two equation, that is enough for the oxidizing agent. So suppose particularly mention that equation means you can write the full equation unless at least you learn any two method for oxidizing agent. So next one is nitrating agent. So organic compound react with nitric acid, because most of the this nitrating agent it is used only in the organic chemistry. What is C6H6? It is benzene. When benzene react with nitric acid, in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene. What is this compound name? Is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Again formation of nitronium ion. Nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to form the NO2 plus ion, hydronium ion. H3O plus hydronium ion, nitronium ion and the bisulfate ion. HSO4 means that is bisulfate. NO2 means nitronium ion. This is called as hydronium ion. So these are all the nitrating agent. Next one is nitric acid on metals. All metals. The nitric acid react with metals, all metals except gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium and tantalum. So these the nitric acid does not react with these metals. Remaining all the metals, nitric acid react with the other metals. Another one is it is a react with weak electropositive metal. What is meant by weak electropositive metals? That is the electropositive metal means tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten, molybdenum, nitric acid gives metal oxide in the higher oxidation state. Weak electropositive metal means that is sodium, potassium, rubidium. So these are all the first group element. These are called the weak electropositive. So when react with tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten, molybdenum, nitric acid gives metal oxide in the higher oxidation state. So another one, primary reaction, how it will react with the metal. So this is general representation. Metal react with metal, nitric acid, metal nitrate plus hydrogen. So this is the primary reaction. First any of the metal will react with, again this nitric acid again react with hydrogen, nitrous acid. This nitric acid again hydrogen to form hydroxylamine. So what is this compound name is hydroxylamine, then H2O. Nitric acid again hydrogen means ammonia, H2O. This nitric acid hydrogen means hyponitrous acid. So these are all the reaction with the secondary nitric acid. So these are all the general reaction with the primary and the secondary. Then tertiary reaction. What is tertiary reaction? Secondary product decomposes to give the final product. This is the secondary reaction, HNO2. That is here HNO2 decomposed into nitric acid, NOH2O. This is nitric acid. Again this another one, HNO2. So HNO2 dinitrogen trioxide. Again H2N2O2. So that is hyponitrous acid. Again it is converted into nitrous oxide. So next one is reaction of secondary product. So reaction of secondary product, what is the meaning for that? So secondary reaction, another one is product. So HNO2 plus ammonia gives nitrogen plus H2O, HNO2. So the product is HNO2. So this is the secondary product. HNO2 ammonia, then nitrogen. HNO2 ammonium hydroxide. This is the ammonium hydroxide to form N2O. Again NH3, HNO2 plus HNO3, HNO2 nitrous acid. Again NOHNO3 to form NO2 2H2O. So these are all the using this primary secondary equation. How to using this metals? First one is copper, reaction with copper. Copper react with nitric acid. First it is step by step reaction. First one is primary reaction, copper metal, copper nitrate. This is the first step. So here the metal nitric acid to form metal nitrate. So this is the first step, right? Copper, nitric acid, copper nitrate. Copper nitrate, this is the first primary reaction, right? Second reaction, what is the second reaction? That is react with hydrogen. The nitric acid react with nitrogen. So that is hydrogen. Nitric acid react with nitrogen, nitrous acid. Then 3 molecule of nitrous acid to form HNO3 plus NO2. This what is the third reaction? product react with the nitric acid. Then tertiary reaction, what is the tertiary reaction? So that is the product, this is the product will converted into nitric acid. So here again the same thing, HNO2, this is the product is converted to nitric acid, NO. So you are adding the three equations together. What will happen? This is copper, that is 3 copper. Then nitric acid, how many nitric acid? 6 nitric acid, then 9. So 6 plus 3, 9. So here 1 nitric acid is there. So 9 minus 1, that is 8. Okay. So here 9, the reaction side 9, product side 1. So that is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Then again copper nitrate, the same one, HNO2, 3 molecule of 3 HNO2. So that is the 3 things, the 2 1 cancel. Again another one is 2 molecule of NOH2O. So this is the reaction with the nitric acid, the step by step reaction. First primary reaction, metal react with nitric acid, metal nitrate, then hydrogen to form nitrous acid, this nitrous acid giving nitric acid. The overall reaction is we are adding the 3 equations together. What will have the 3 6H will be cancelled. So that is concentrate nitrate to form the copper nitric acid. Totally here 9 nitric acid is there. Here 1 nitric acid. Here 1 nitric acid is there. So 9 minus 1, that is 8 nitric acid. Copper plus another one is concentrated acid to form nitrogen dioxide. So this is the normally nitric acid, but here concentrated nitric acid, what will happen? Copper nitrate NO2 plus H2O. Copper nitrate NO2. So that is the one line equation. The same example here, that is magnesium. So first step, what is the first step? Magnesium react with nitric acid to form magnesium nitrate. Okay, that is metal react with metal nitric acid, magnesium nitrate, that is metal nitrate. Then nitric acid react with hydrogen to form ammonia. That again nitric acid react with ammonia to form ammonium nitrate. So that is the overall reaction. What is the? Here 4 Mg, then 8 HNO3, here 2 HNO3, totally 10 HNO3. Then magnesium nitrate, here ammonium nitrate, here that is H2O. 3 molecule of H2O, here 8H, then ammonia will be cancelled. Okay, so this is the magnesium react with nitric acid. So the same equation with the dilute nitric acid, the magnesium nitrate, nitrous oxide plus H2O will be obtained. Okay, so this is the another one. Next one is, what are the uses? So what are the uses? Is the oxidizing agent in the preparation of aqua regia. So aqua regia, gold will dissolve in the aqua regia. So this is uses is oxidizing. It is used as the oxidizing agent in aqua regia. Then silver nitrate used in the photography, and sodium nitrate is used as a gunpowder in the fire factory. So that is fire workers. It is sodium nitrate is used as a gunpowder. Silver nitrate is used in the photography. Okay, so these are all the uses of nitric acid. Okay, so next one. So next one is, what are the preparation of nitrogen oxide? How it will prepare the nitrogen oxide? First one is that is the different types of nitrogen oxide. First one is nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide N2O, nitric oxide NO, dinitrogen oxide N2O, nitrogen dioxide NO2, nitrogen tetraoxide N2O3, nitrogen pentaoxide N2O5. What are the oxidation state? +1, +2, +3, +4, +4, +5. So these are all the, what are the physical properties? Nitrous oxide is a colorless gas and neutral in nature. And another one is how it will be prepared. That is, the preparation is ammonium nitrate when converted, decomposed into nitric oxide and the water molecule. That is how it will prepare. This is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate decomposed into N2O. So that is nitrous oxide. Okay, second next one is nitric oxide, NO. What is the oxidation status? +2. It is a colorless gas and neutral one. How it will prepare? That is sodium nitrate react with ferrous sulfate and concentrated sulfuric acid. This is sodium nitrate. In your book name, no name is there, so you can write. So that is ferrous sulfate. Then sulfuric acid. In your book only equation will be giving. So that is, if you want, you can write the name. So another one, this 3 together to form the ferrous sulfate, ferrous sulfate and sodium bisulfate and H2O and nitric oxide. Ferrous sulfate Fe2SO4 thrice, sodium bisulfate and 2H2O, nitric acid. We want only the nitric oxide. Next one is dinitrogen trioxide. N2O3 oxidation state is +3, is a blue solid, blue in color, acidic in nature. Nitric oxide react with nitrogen tetroxide N2O4 to form nitrogen trioxide. So this is the another one. Next one is nitrogen dioxide NO2 oxidation state is +4. It is brown in color. This is also acidic nature. What is the formula name? Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate. Pb is lead. Lead nitrate. When heated to form NO3 plus PbO, lead oxide. Lead oxide. Nitrogen. Nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so this is the nitrogen dioxide, PbO and O2. So next one, nitrogen tetroxide N2O3. So that is again N2O4, nitrogen tetroxide N2O4. NO2 when we are heating means that is N2O4. It is a colorless solid, acidic in nature. Again one nitrogen pentoxide, that is 5 oxygen, that is pentoxide. Tetroxide means that is 4, that is 5. Colorless and solid, acidic in nature, HNO3, P2O5, then N2O5 to form phosphoric acid, HPO3, hydrophosphoric acid, then HNO3, P2, phosphorus pentoxide. So that is to form the nitrogen pentoxide. Next one is structure of oxides and nitrogen. What are the structure of oxides and nitrogen? First one is nitrous oxide. How it will draw the structure? Once again, what is the nitrous oxide? Nitrogen, we already know that how to draw N, then again you draw oxygen. Okay, first you write, we already know that nitrogen having a triple bond. So here only one bond. How many electrons are there? Oxygen, outermost electron, 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is excess of electron. Here one bond is there, so excess of electron. Here bond deficient plus. So how to interchange? So this electron, so one bond is coming to this position and another bond coming to this position. So that is how can we write? So N, 2 molecule, double bond N, here double bond, oxygen, here 4 molecule. This is plus sign, this is negative sign. Okay, this is the Lewis dot structure of nitrous oxide. Again nitric oxide also very easy one, triple bond O. Okay, so another one, dinitrogen trioxide. How to write the dinitrogen trioxide? So nitrogen, dinitrogen double bond, then oxygen. So first you remind that single bond means you can write 6 dots, right? Double bond means you can write 4 dots. So here also double bond, only 4 dots. Single bond means 6 dot, because what is 6 number? So that is 6 valence electron in the oxygen. So here that is double bond, remaining 2 electron is bonded with the other nitrogen. Okay, so this is the another one. So the double headed arrow is a resonance structure, double bond O. So here the double bond is coming to this upper part and the lower part, that is negative sign, this is positive sign. Okay, next one is nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is also same. Nitrogen, here one oxygen. The single bond means that is how many electrons? So single bond means that is 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here that is 2 lone pair. Here double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we already know that nitrogen 5 electron, here 2 electron is there. Here sharing of 2 electron, here 1 electron, totally 5 electrons. So here that is 1, 2, 3. So totally 5 electron in nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen NO2 dioxide. Another one, nitrogen tetroxide. Nitrogen tetroxide also you can draw the structure. Nitrogen tetroxide, 4 oxygen. Okay, oxygen. So here double bond means here single bond, here double bond. So I already told single bond mean how many dot? 6 dot. So double bond mean 4 dot. So because the sharing of electron with the other atom. So here that is 6 electron. Here also 4 electron. Okay, the symbol one. So remind that single bond mean that is 6 electron, double bond mean that is 4 electron. Next one is nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. Again the same one, nitrogen, N, remaining oxygen. Here also oxygen, here also oxygen, here also oxygen, here also oxygen. Single bond mean how many electrons? 6 electron. Here also 6 electron. Single bond means 6 electron. Double bond mean 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 electron. Here that is double bond mean only 4 electron. Here double bond mean 1 to 4 electron. Okay. So remaining that single bond means 6 electron. Double bond mean 4 electron. Okay. So this is the another one. Next one is structure of oxo acid. The same one, structure of oxo acid. The same thing, hyponitrous. So hyponitrous acid, what is the structure here? Hyponitrous acid H2N2O2. So here also H2. So how to draw the structure? OH, OH, N2. So that the N double bond go. So this is the another one. So next one is, this is the solid structure. So hydronitrous acid, H4, N2O4. H4 means that is 4OH, then NH. So NH is linked with the 4OH molecule. Then nitrous acid HNO2. So HNO2. So we already studied the last year. HNO2. So that is double bond mean 4 dotted. Here also double bond mean 4 dot. Okay. So here also double bond mean 4 dot. Another one, pernitrous acid HOONO. So that is HNOO. That is the 3 oxygen. 1, 2, 3 oxygen. Double bond means 4 electron. Single bond means double bond means 4 electron. So here oxygen 1 or 2. Here also 4 electron. Right. Another one, nitric acid HNO3. Here also HNO3. 3 molecule. So here the no dotted structure, only solid structure will be given. Pernitric acid also only the solid structure will be given. Okay, so this is the another structure of oxo acids and nitrogen. So next one is preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. What are the preparation? First one is hyponitrous acid. What is the formula of hyponitrous acid? H2N2O2. Oxidation state is +1. So silver nitrate, hypo, that is the silver nitrous acid. What is the compound name? Is silver nitrous acid. Silver nitrous acid react with hydrochloric acid to form silver chloride. What is the compound name? Silver chloride. Silver chloride. This is hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid. Okay. Then again nitrous acid. HNO2. How to prepare nitrous acid? +3. Barium nitrate. BaNO2 twice. H2SO4. HNO2 barium sulfate. So HNO2 barium sulfate. Barium, this is called as barium nitrate. Nitrate. The sulfuric acid, nitrous acid, and another one is barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. Then again pernitrous acid. So again oxidation state is +5. What is the compound name? Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. So that is hydroxide. Nitrogen hydroxide peroxide. So this is called as pernitrous acid plus H2O. Then again nitric acid, ammonia plus O2 giving. This is the Oswald process, right? Ammonia react with oxygen NO. This is called as Oswald process. Oswald process. Previously we studied, that is nitric acid. Ammonia, oxygen give nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plus oxygen NO2. NO2 gives N2O4. Again N2O4 plus H2O plus O2 HNO3. This is the nitric acid. Preparation of nitric acid. Then again another one is pernitric acid HNO4. Oxidation state is +7. Hydrogen peroxide, pentoxide, nitrogen pentoxide. This is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. peroxide, nitrogen pentoxide, nitrogen pentoxide, pentoxide to form the pernitric acid. So pernitric acid HNO4. So HNO4 means they can write like this. Here NO2 HNO4. So that is pernitric acid. Nitric acid. Then nitric acid. Okay, that's all about the preparation of oxo acids of nitrogen. In this chapter we can study about the nitric acid preparation, then reaction of nitric acid, then uses of nitric acid, then preparation of nitrogen oxide, structure of oxides and nitrogen, then again another one is structure of oxo acids and nitrogen, then preparation of oxo acids and nitrogen. Okay, next we can study about the phosphorus. We see the next video. Okay, thank you children.